Physical fitness and strength training are essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And among the plethora of exercises available, squats stand tall as a versatile and effective option. Squats, a compound movement targeting multiple muscle groups, have gained recognition as a fundamental exercise for building strength, improving fitness, and enhancing overall well-being. Incorporating squats into your daily routine can yield a wide range of benefits, from increased lower body strength and improved core stability to enhanced flexibility and fat loss. In this article, we delve into the 10 significant benefits of performing squats every day, highlighting how this simple yet powerful exercise can transform your body and elevate your fitness journey. Squats are a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups in the body, making them a highly effective exercise for overall strength and fitness. Performing squats daily can offer numerous benefits. Here are 10 benefits of doing squats every day. Increased lower body strength. Squats primarily work the muscles in your lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Regularly performing squats can help build strength in these muscles, leading to improved power and stability. Enhanced core strength. Squats engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine and maintain proper posture during the movement. This can help strengthen your abdominal muscles, lower back, and obliques, leading to improved balance and stability. Improved functional fitness. Squats are a functional movement pattern that mimics everyday activities like sitting down and standing up. By performing squats regularly, you strengthen the muscles involved in these movements, making them easier and more efficient. Increased muscle mass. Squats are a compound exercise that activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This can lead to muscle growth and hypertrophy, particularly in the lower body. Building muscle mass can improve your body composition and increase your metabolic rate. Burned calories and fat loss. Squats are a demanding exercise that requires significant energy expenditure. Performing squats daily can contribute to calorie burning and fat loss, especially when combined with a well-rounded exercise and nutrition program. Improved flexibility and mobility. Squats involve bending and flexing the joints in your hips, knees, and ankles. Regularly performing squats can help increase your joint flexibility and improve your overall range of motion. This can be beneficial for daily activities and athletic performance. Strengthened bones and joints. Squats are a weight-bearing exercise that places stress on your bones, promoting bone density and strength. Squatting helps to strengthen the ligaments and tendons around your joints, reducing the risk of injury and improving joint stability. Enhanced athletic performance. Squats are a functional exercise that can improve your performance in various sports and activities. By strengthening the muscles involved in jumping, running, and lifting, squats can enhance your athletic abilities, power, and explosiveness. Improved posture. Squats engage your core and back muscles, which can help improve your posture and spinal alignment. By strengthening these muscles, squats can counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting and promote better overall posture. Boosted overall health. Regular squatting can have a positive impact on your overall health. It can help improve cardiovascular fitness, increase insulin sensitivity, enhance mood and mental well-being, and promote better sleep patterns. While squats offer numerous benefits, it's important to perform them with proper form and gradually increase the intensity to avoid injury. If you're new to squats or have any underlying health concerns, it's advisable to consult with a qualified fitness professional before starting a daily squatting routine. Squats prove to be a valuable addition to any fitness regimen, offering a multitude of benefits for both physical and mental well-being. From building strength and muscle mass to promoting fat loss and improving overall mobility, squats have the potential to transform your body and elevate your fitness journey. Remember, consistency and proper form are key when incorporating squats into your daily routine. So, seize the opportunity to unlock the power of squats and embark on a path towards a stronger, fitter, and healthier you. Embrace the challenge, reap the rewards, and witness the positive impact that daily squats can have on your body and mind. Get ready to squat your way to a better you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, Feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Remember, fitness is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Keep pushing your limits. Stay motivated, and see you in the next video.